Samsung announced the Galaxy S22 series last week, and the S22 Ultra follows the Note footsteps by offering a dedicated S Pen slot. Now, a Korean news outlet has reported that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 could follow the suit. It is reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will indeed have a S Pen slot, citing unnamed sources. And this is not the first time that the Fold series is offering the support for the stylus, same as Galaxy Z Fold 3 sported S Pen input as well, but it was lacking the slot for the S Pen. But it would mark the first time that a foldable packs a S Pen slot too. It is also said that Samsung is expecting the addition of S Pen slot on the Z Fold 4 to be the major selling point of that phone, and the stylus is going to become the signature line of the Ultra series or the premium series of Samsung. It is also claimed that the screen size of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be 7.56 inches main screen and an extended 6.19 inch external display, which is almost equal to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is said to be the toughest phone among the Fold line, with IP68 water resistant, and along with, we are also hoping in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 that the dust resistance will also be offered.